And welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you guys have been here for a while. So I recently picked up the new Glawglow Glow highlighting palette. I was very pleasantly surprised when I saw this available on Sephora and I could just like automatically add it to my cart. It kind of amounted to me spending like $300 on Sephora, but we're not gonna talk about it. So this is the new Glawglow Glowpowder Hyaluronic Acid Infused Glow Palette, and I'm obsessed with this packaging. So I decided to film this video today because I love testing out new brand spanking new products and I love a good glowy product. I actually have the Glawglow Glowstarter Illuminating Moisturizer and the Glawglow Glowsetter. You guys know I use this in like every single makeup video that I put up on YouTube, so it's definitely a favorite. It is golden hour right now and I decided to film this little mini tutorial and product review demonstration for you guys because I thought it'd be really fun to show you a different twist on like a product that hasn't really been spoken about yet. I believe it launched last week and it is only $53 Canadian, which I don't think is that bad because you're getting 3 really big, decently sized highlighters in here. Amazing packaging, as I already touched on. It's like pretty much shock-proof. I think it's so cool. My boyfriend dropped it earlier, but we are still intact, people. The last thing you want is your really expensive highlighter to be breaking on you, and this packaging is kind of gonna prevent that. I don't think it really says that, but like, it shouldn't be breaking. So I love the shade selection in here. You've got something really light and white. It almost kind of has like a pink iridescent shift to it. Then we have my favorite one in the middle here, which is like a champagne-y, golden-y glow, which I have on my cheekbones. You guys saw me put it on. And then we have this last one, which is definitely deeper, but I personally used it as a bronzer. I think it would be gorgeous on the eyelids as well. If you guys want to see me do that, let me know. And yeah, altogether, I think it's a very versatile palette. You get a mirror in here, and I am obsessed with it. So the palette is infused with hyaluronic acid, which you guys probably already know by now. So the package formula does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is great because that's what I've been loving to put on my face as a moisturizer anyways. So the powders are nice and creamy and hydrating. They don't go on chalky. I like went a little bit overboard, as you guys can see, because my boyfriend was like, no, keep putting more highlighter on. Also, shout out to my boyfriend for helping me film this video. His channel is gonna be linked down below. Love you, Torque. These are my 3 favorite glowy products, I think, by far, and they just also happen to be from the same Glawglow family. So the moisturizer is amazing. You can wear this on its own. If you don't feel like wearing any makeup on your face, it'll give you a nice natural glow. You guys saw me put it on my shoulders and like my décolleté as well. If you don't feel like getting a liquid highlighter, this pretty much does the same thing. You guys probably already could tell in the video as well. My skin was pretty glowy naturally, but not actually naturally, because it was this guy right here. So I love using the Glawglow Glowsetter. Honestly, this stuff smells freaking amazing, and that's why I love all 3 of these products, because they all smell like a vanilla creamsicle. If that doesn't sound appealing to you guys, just trust me, it is really freaking good. It smells like the best thing ever, and I just sometimes spray this on my face because I just want to smell it. That's the real tea. I love putting this on before my makeup as a primer and as a setting spray before I do my highlight. That's where this guy comes in. Even though it's super hydrating, I love doing this before just to get that little extra glow. And I'm really sweaty right now, so my highlight should be truly popping. But this stuff is the ish. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be my new go-to highlighting palette, and I think it's also great for traveling and just freaking great to have in general. And pink is my favorite color, just in case you guys couldn't tell. That's it for this little short, whatever it is kind of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely go pick this up, and this up, and this up. They're all gonna be linked down below. Let me know if you tried it yet, and until next time, I hope you all have a great night, or day, or golden hour, and I need to go have a glass of water, so I'll see you on my next one. Mwah! Ta-ta!